You crazy care about your female kitten or cat, especially when it comes time to spay her, don't you? So here's the novel no-sew idea I came up with to make a kind of panty that covers the incision with the TLC of a soft, old, worn t-shirt. You're going to need scissors, ruler, and marker, along with your choice of the t-shirt that's going to find a new purpose. Press the bottom half of the t-shirt nicely if it's not laying flat. Measure off 12 inches across and cut through both front and back layers. Make sure you have 25 to 30 inches across, and very possibly you could make 2 of these from a t-shirt or tank top. Okay, note the hem at the bottom of the piece. We want to retain that. Fold the piece lengthwise. Then flip that hem to the top. We want it where Kitty's waist is, essentially. Now fold in 1.5 inches from that lengthwise fold. One inch up from the bottom, make a mark. Then 2 inches up from that, make a mark. 3/4 inches in and between those 2 marks, make the last mark. Kind of round out the edges of those marks because these are the back leg holes. Pin it all into place and cut out that leg hole. Now don't open the piece right now as shown, but if you were to do so, you would see the even placement of the leg holes you just cut. Now mark out at least 3 ties. You can cut more if desired, and they should be 7 to 8 inches long and about 1.5 inches wide. Cut them out. See how you end up with a piece that basically looks like the letter E. Open it and you're done. Stand Kitty over the panty, wrestle her hind legs into the holes, and tie it up. This takes 2 people to accomplish, although I gotta brag. I did it myself, and it was hilarious.